Hi, this is Dan Chambers, the founder of Chambers Law Firm. I'm doing a series of videos on how COVID-19 affects our criminal court system and more broadly our criminal justice system. In this particular video, I want to touch on two areas that I think will be profoundly affected, or at least I hope they will, once this COVID-19 virus is under control. The first factor is on a more practical level. Hopefully COVID-19 will make the practice of criminal law and the administration of criminal courts way more efficient. Let me give you an example. I have days where I have to be in Riverside Court, and then I have to travel all the way out to, let's say, Westminster Court in Orange County. Probably an hour drive. I drive out there, I sit in front of a judge, and I handle a hearing that takes 3 minutes, get back in my car, and drive all the way back to my office for something that's routine and that could probably be handled by remote means. So the first big change I hope will last long term are the changes the courts have made to deal with criminal cases under COVID. Video appearances for routine matters, telephonic appearances, because then I don't have to drive to Westminster for a routine hearing. I can handle it by video or by phone. And that makes me more efficient, saves me time, and you as the client no longer have to worry about having to pay me or some other attorney to drive to Westminster for you, and that use of time becomes way more efficient. So I'm hoping that after this is done, that's one fundamental way that we as criminal defense attorneys can deliver better service to you, our client. But more broadly, I hope the major change that comes out of COVID-19 is that it continues our trek toward mass incarceration and getting rid of it. Hopefully, because of the backlog of cases, there'll be a real hard look at what cases are worth, which cases really deserve state prison and which do not, and what are realistic offers on a case to get them resolved without a trial and without clogging up our system. So hopefully the lessons that we have learned through COVID-19 will help prosecutors, defense attorneys, and the judges look at these cases and come up with more realistic alternatives to resolving them rather than continuing the trend of wanting to put everyone in prison for long periods of incarceration. So on a broader scope, I hope that once this whole thing is over with, that we have a more realistic look at what cases are worth, to keep our criminal justice systems running efficiently, and to continue the trend against mass incarceration for low-level offenders. Thank you very much for listening. If you believe that your case can be affected by COVID or has been, call our office to talk about it today. We offer a free consultation. We'll be happy to walk you through the steps of how you can best utilize the current environment to help you get the best result. Thank you.